Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Lumber Tycoon 2. To begin, you will need to understand the core mechanics of how items are handled in the game. This method often involves a precise sequence of actions, typically requiring two players. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as any lag can disrupt the timing and lead to failure. Prepare your inventory by clearing space for the duplicated items. Next, let's set up your environment for success. Position yourself and your assisting friend or alternate account in a clear, unobstructed area. Make sure the item you wish to duplicate is easily accessible in your inventory. Having a second player is crucial, as they will be interacting with the item at a critical moment. Communication between players is key to synchronize your actions perfectly. Now, for the execution. The core of this glitch involves dropping the item at the exact moment your friend attempts to pick it up. This precise timing can trick the game into registering the item in two places simultaneously. Practice this sequence several times with a less valuable item first. Once successful, the item should appear in both your inventory and your friend's, effectively doubling it. Finally, some important tips and troubleshooting advice. Duplication glitches can be tricky, and timing is everything. If it doesn't work on your first try, don't get discouraged. Simply reset and try again. Be aware that game developers frequently patch these exploits, so what works today might not work tomorrow. Always back up your valuable items if possible, and stay updated on the latest game information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.